the female lead, Pooja Hegde.
Sure. Money take okay, Trivikram garu okay na?
నా డైరెక్టర్ త్రివిక్రమ్ సార్ కి చాలా 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 థ్యాంక్స్ helping me react better and we are the backbenchers who've been put on the front row today and I'd like to also thank my parents who support me and you motivate me.
Next is the award for the best actor in leading role female.
And to present this award, we would like to call on stage Mrs. Radhika Sharad Kumar and Vamsi Paidapalli garu. And the winner is
Saima 2020 for best actor in a leading role, Telugu, female. And just now Aishwarya Rajesh ee picture gurinchi chaala maatladaru. Really, you know, the pandemic has taught us so many things. I think we look at things, life, all differently. We tend to get up every day and say thank you for keeping us alive and kicking and making us happy. But I must tell you, this film used to make me very happy. This film, I enjoyed it. I used to watch it and, you know, laugh my head off and cry and go with it. And I'm so happy that for this film, the female lead, Pooja Hegde, for Ala Vaikuntapuramlo. This is a dedication to Bunny, who is a sweetheart. Before I give this award, I will look at her legs. Koncha legs chupinchana. Habba.
I'm going to do this proudly, you know. Here you go.
Sure. Okay, Bunny? Bunny take okay, Trivikram garu okay na? Congratulations. Take care of your legs. Very precious. You've insured them? Wow, you should. To her legs. This is fantastic, yeah? Anybody wants to know what they want to dedicate for me? Anyway, great. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Fantastic. You had fantastic legs.
can we have her
the mic
talk,
is yours.
Radhika garu? We shall move on from Pooja's legs. Thank you.
I'm a little overwhelmed with everything. Thank you so much, Saima, for this award because you've given me a physical remembrance of such a beautiful film and all the times that I enjoyed. I can look at it and remember it very, very fondly. And na director Trivikram sir ki chala 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 thanks. Meeru na peru Amulya. When you told me I was Amulya, which, correct me if I'm wrong, means invaluable, I did not know that idi film invaluable avutundi. And thank you so much for that. My co-star Arjun, we've created some, I think we can safely say that we have created some good work together. And thank you so much for helping me react better. And this is also yours. To all my other people who've worked in the film, thank you so much for everything that you've given. So, the gang of Ala Vaikuntapuramlo, I love it. We are the backbenchers who've been put on the front row today. And my producers, Vamsi, I hope you're happy. You're always stressed, but I think today you can finally laugh. We won all of them. What do you want now? Chinnababu Garu, Geeta Arts, thank you so much. This has been absolutely an honor, and I'm really glad so that you have given me this because I missed Maharshi winning all the awards yesterday. So I'm glad you're here. And I'd like to also thank my parents. I have to say that my parents, my brother, and my loved ones, this is for you because, when I'm always busy, I don't attend, you know, family functions and all these other things. You understand that, you support me and you motivate me. So thank you so much and my wonderful team. Thank you.